To mokwongo wawinjane magi. Jatend migao mar teko Opiyo Wandayi opako kwe kuonde luto ombulu e sub-county ma Ugunja kopako jopiny kuom nyayo kwe. Wandayi kata kamano oseyo tulo kod koko matimore gwenge ma Kasipul.
So far, I'm very impressed by the peaceful nature of the exercise. I've gotten reports that the entire constituency, that is Ugunja, voting commenced on time, actually at 6 a.m. And it has been peaceful so far. I must commend the security agencies and the leadership of the constituency generally for working tirelessly to ensure peace prevails. I want to encourage our people here, first and foremost, to take this opportunity and exercise their democratic right by voting. Yeah, a lot of talking has happened the last many months. So the hour of reckoning has now come. Yes, let everybody who is a registered voter come out and vote. We still have time up to 5 p.m. And I want to appeal for calm, not only in Kasipul but everywhere else. And let leaders lead by example. Leaders of all political persuasions lead by example. Elections cannot be a matter of life and death. Elections cannot be an end in themselves. Elections are simply but a means to an end. And an end here is good governance, service delivery to the people. And there can only be one winner in any election.